Okay, in this question, what we can start off with is the end of the change. So let's write after. So we have C, D, and E, and then okay, three of them has 3 boxes. Okay, so now Derek had $20 less than Cindy, so Cindy has $20 more. Okay, and Edmund has $30 more than Derek, as given in the question. So next, okay, there are 2 changes. One is Cindy gave 1/3 of her money to Edmund. For the second change is that Derek then gave 2/5 of his money to Cindy. So we will take this as a second change, which is Derek then gave 2/5 of his money to Cindy. So let's draw the model before change 2. Let's write C, D, and E again. So Derek gave 2/5, meaning that Derek should have 3 out of 5, 3/5 left. So, and then let's draw again, everything aligned. So meaning that Derek should have 2/5 back, and this 2/5 you can see that it's actually gotten back from Cindy. So let's cut another 3 parts, and all these are aligned. Okay, so meaning that Cindy only has 1 block left. Okay, 1 block left plus another 20 untouched, 20 from here. Okay, so for Edmund's one is still untouched, but we can now split it into 3 parts so that they are all the same. Now, what about before change 1? Change 1 is the first change, which is Cindy gave 1/3 of her money to Edmund. So Cindy gave 1/3 of her money to Edmund. So now Edmund must return the money back to Cindy. Okay, C, D, E. Okay, let's see. This is a bit tricky, but let's see what we can do. Edmund has to return money to Cindy. So Cindy gave 1/3 to Edmund. So meaning that what Cindy has here is actually 2/3. And if we are to break it into smaller part, which is this, so this is 1 and 2, we have to do the same thing for all. Okay, so do the same thing for all, and this is really confusing, so you have to draw it very carefully. Okay, and it's pretty hard to draw with a pen on a tablet, but we know that everything has to be half. Okay, so now make sure that there are only 10 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, let me rewind them. Okay, I think I shouldn't even draw them here. So you see, it takes skill to draw the model nicely. So what I should do is I should just do for C first. Cindy. Okay. 1, which is this one, and then another one. Okay. And since 2/3 is including 20, we have to add in the 1/3 as well, which is 10. Let me use another color for D. So D now has 5 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And let's cut them into half as well, because from this it has been half already. Okay. Then for E has to return one small unit to C, so leaving only this. Okay. And plus 20. Okay, I noticed there's an error here. Okay, let me erase, and let me fill it with black again, and let me draw again. Okay, and this is only one unit, one line. So now the total is $410. So now let us add the units. So C is 3 units plus 30. D has 10 units, and E has 5 units plus 20. So, and it's a total of 18 units plus 50. And do note that this is the same as this. So let's draw again. 18 units and 50, and this is 410. So 18 units is actually 410 minus of 50, which is equals to 360, and 1U is 20. How much money did Cindy have at first? So Cindy has 3 units times 20, and plus another $30, which is 90. So Cindy has $90 at first.